Ready for a teeth-chattering cold this week? I'm Brian Garcia, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Eureka, California, with your look at the week ahead and why your teeth might be chattering, all in the course of a few minutes. Yes, it's going to be cold this week, and we'll get to the why in a moment. First, I want to remind you of a few things you might want to think about doing before the cold hits. Top of my list is to break out those winter clothes and blankets to stay warm. Next, think about Fido or Muffin. If you're able to bring your pets inside, this week would be ideal, or at minimum provide them a warm place outside. Don't forget about any sensitive vegetation too. Bursting pipes can become a reality with very cold temps. Think about wrapping those pipes and leaving a drip going to help prevent freezing. And most importantly, do not bring outdoor heaters inside for use. Carbon monoxide emissions can easily be deadly. Now let's get to it. Here's the 7-day forecast highs and lows for Eureka, Weaverville, and Ukiah. A cold front with some rain will move through today, followed by a cold Canadian air tap. Low temperatures from Wednesday morning through the end of the week will likely be at or below freezing across much of Northwest California. You might ask why. Well, it's all about the cold air up in the Yukon and a big ridge over Alaska. This is causing the jet to take a north to south direction, what we call meridional. If you could read the temps on this map from 4 a.m. this morning, you would see minus 30s and 40s over the Yukon and teens over British Columbia. While the bulk of this air will make its way toward the northern plains of the U.S., we will get our fair share. The next few images will take us through the early morning hours of each day this week. We'll be looking at 850 millibar temps, which is about 5,000 feet, and is a good proxy as to what we can expect at the surface. Also shown are 500 millibar heights, which can generally show where the jet stream is. So note the cold air in blues over Canada and sinking into Washington this morning. By tomorrow morning, the air mass will have modified slightly, but still cold, and now into Oregon and far northern California. Wednesday morning will be when we'll notice the cold has set in. The blue and light gray colors are sinking well south into central and southern California at this point, but the northern plains will be getting the brunt of this cold air. Thursday morning, the west coast remains on the periphery of the cold air at 850 millibars, but don't be fooled. The cold air will still be in place at the surface, and models have a tendency of warming temps up too fast behind a really cold front. But wait, what's that off the Pacific Northwest Friday morning? None other than a reinforcing trough of cold air. While models are still trying to resolve this reinforcing trough late in the week, by Saturday morning we could see another clip of cold air pour into Northwest California. Also, there is a chance of some cold rain and mountain snow as this upper trough passes late in the week. Overall, it's going to be a cold week. Daytime highs will struggle to get out of the 50s and overnight lows might struggle to get into the 30s. Today is the day to prepare for the cold. Be sure to check on your friends and neighbors too. And share this video with others so they might be prepared also. Thanks for watching and stay warm.